Only because she coughed. Wonyoung's short video during fan sign immediately went viral on social media. Recently, one of the members of the girl group IVE, namely Wonyoung, has again goes viral on social media when she held a fan sign in Japan before carrying out their world tour concert. In a video spread on social media, Wonyoung is seen coughing several times in front of fans. When coughing, she puts her hand in front of her mouth and immediately says "go mean," which means sorry in Japanese. Seeing the moment Wonyoung coughed in front of the fans, they then said that the way Wonyoung coughed looked very elegant and graceful.